Janine, and during this crazy time working from home and remodeling, I'm doing this video, so hopefully it won't be too rough. I have been representing Aflac and offering their policies exclusively since 1994. Many policyholders are now dear friends. Even now, with my many recent challenges, Aflac policies have been a lifesaver to me financially and emotionally. And being able to provide that peace to others is wonderful. Aflac is the first and largest supplemental insurance company in the world, founded in 1955, doing business in the United States, its territories, and Japan. Things change in the world and in the world of medicine. Aflac strives to be ahead of the curve with benefits and regularly adjusts the policies to keep current. If you want to stay the same with the same premiums, you have the choice. Or if you want to upgrade to new coverage with different premiums, it's up to you, the policyholder. Please thank the decision makers of your company. They realize that health insurance does not cover everything. They care about you and give you access to upgrade your coverages as you need for your household. First, I want to get some business out of the way. How are we going to enroll? It will be by phone with an email or text link for you to approve the enrollment, and I will stay on the phone while you do the approval. Claims. Just remember, documentation is the key to have the claims paid properly. You can download a smart claim app or go to aflac.com. You will need your policy number, so if you don't have them, email me, give me your name, where you work, or your birthday, and I will email back your policy number. And you can always fax a claim in, and I can send you the claim form so you have that to do that with. The accident and wellness screening benefits do not need documentation. You just fill out the form and upload it to Aflac. While our accident, cancer, critical illness, and hospital policies, along with the wellness benefits, are usually paid in one day, since so many Aflac claims adjusters are working from home right now, and because of COVID, it may take a little longer. Some policies routinely take a few days to be paid, like disability, vision, dental, and life. I have personally experienced claims paid to me on all policies in a timely manner. What's not covered? None of the Aflac policies will cover you while committing a felony, suicide, using alcohol or drugs outside of legal limits, war, acts of war, or mental illness. There may be specific other things that are not covered on any given policy. Refer to each policy brochure outline of coverage for details. Some may have pre-existing conditions or waiting periods. Guarantee issue policies. Accident and dental policies are guarantee issue. Disability, hospital policies, under most circumstances, are also guarantee issued. Others may be under certain circumstances. On the rate sheet and shown on the video are the best level of each policy. Other options are available, so if you want, say, a cancer policy and it's too much for you right now, just let me know and I will send you the other options. When this video is finished, please let me know in which policies you have an interest, and I will send you a PDF of the brochure outline of coverage. You should already have a rate sheet per pay period, as I've sent it to your employer.
Aflac accident plans are the most used policies because injuries happen. There needs to be a specific date, time, place, and impact. It provides a wide range of benefits to assist with expenses associated with an injury, like emergency treatment, hospitalization, ICU, appliances, follow-up treatments, therapy, and for the injuries themselves, like a benefit for a cut that needs a Band-Aid or glue, to broken bones and surgeries, even accidental death. Make sure you get your $60 wellness benefit every year and let Aflac know if the injured person was hurt participating in an organized sporting event.
Go ahead and start whenever you're ready.
Short-term disability is the most asked for policy and recommended by most financial advisors. Upon validation of the disability by a doctor and employer, the benefits can be paid for an injury or illness, including birth of a baby, within the policy limits. The rates are affected by your choice of how much coverage you choose, how long it lasts, and when it starts. So how much coverage you choose, up to 55 or 60% of your income. How long it lasts, coverage periods are from 3 months to 2 years. And when it starts, with the quickest at a 0.7 waiting period. Disability due to an accident is covered first day and begin on day 8 for illness in this example, with a 0.14 for 6 months being the most popular, except in this COVID era where 0.7 3 months is most popular. Partial disability is also covered, and riders are available. Hospital indemnity policies are designed to aid with expenses due to a hospital stay. It is gaining in popularity because of increasing deductibles, copays, and because it covers the most things, from accidents to sickness to cancer. You can choose how much coverage you want for the first day you're hospitalized each year. $500, $1,000, $1,500, or $2,000. I have included the $1,000 on the rate sheet. To purchase the hospital plan, you must have a qualified health insurance policy. If you participate in an HSA major medical plan, it also includes a daily room benefit. If you have a traditional major medical plan, it has other benefits in addition to 2 riders that can add things like doctor visits, ambulance, invasive exams, surgeries, and so on. Aflac has a lot of requests for small critical care policies that can attach to another policy. We have that in the Aflac Plus rider. You can attach it to the accident, disability, or hospital plans. I call it a transitional policy because if one of the covered medical events happen, Aflac will send you a small lump sum benefit between $1,000 to $5,000, enough to help transition from one lifestyle to another. A reoccurrence benefit is also available. Critical care is a more comprehensive policy, and it is our specified health event plan. It has 3 levels of coverage: the base plus ICU, base plus ICU and heart. The base plan gives you a benefit of $7,000, more for children, upon the diagnosis of heart attack, stroke, coma, paralysis, kidney failure, major third-degree burns, bypass surgeries, major human organ transplants, persistent vegetative state, and sudden cardiac arrest. Plus, it has a hospitalization benefit and continuing care benefit, like therapies, doctor visits, and dialysis. This policy, like the cancer policy, has a building benefit rider, so the benefits can grow faster than the premiums paid. And a care rider, I call it a mini disability, which can be used to help pay insurance premiums and the like when you're not working. Aflac's cancer policy is the flagship of Aflac and pays out the most money. With a little less than 1 of 2 men and a little more than 1 of 3 women expected to have internal cancer, you can see why so many claims are paid in large amounts. Coverage starts with a diagnosis. Aflac will pay for a cancer screening benefit up to $100 per covered person on the policy per year, depending on the level of coverage chosen. If internal cancer is diagnosed, a first occurrence benefit of $2,000, $4,000, or $6,000 is paid out as a lump sum. The benefit is doubled for children. With a building benefit rider of $500 per year per covered person, the policy is growing quickly. You can also put a rider on for an additional $10,000 of coverage if a child is diagnosed with internal cancer. Other than that, it does not add cost to add coverage for children to age 26 to the cancer policy. Skin cancer is covered, just not under the first occurrence benefit. There are a wide range of treatments that are covered on a schedule of benefits, from hospitalization and surgeries to second surgical opinions and hospice, radiation and chemo. Please refer to the brochure again for coverage details. Dental policies and dental supplements are available. Benefit annual maximums are increased by $100 each year for 5 years. Benefits are paid on a schedule of benefits, not on ordinary and customary charges. Our Vision Now plan is designed primarily for eye health, diseases, disorders, surgeries, and permanent visual impairment. But it also has benefits for exams and materials like glasses and contact lenses. Finally, life insurance. Term life and whole life are available with many options. Juvenile life, both whole and term, are also available.
Remember, there are waiting periods for some pre-existing conditions or for things like a 30-day wait for cancer diagnosis, a 10-month wait for a birth of a baby, but most policies have a continuation of coverage benefit. After having the policy deducted for at least 6 months from payroll, you may keep the policy and may even be forgiven 1 or 2 months premium if you leave your current employer and keep your policy through another employer or on a direct basis. Some policies have a waiver of premium, so if you're unable to work for an extended period of time, your premiums are waived upon request. Again, refer to the brochure or outline of coverage for details. Now, I've gone over everything really quick, so please reach out to me if you need more information, and remember to send me an email for the brochures on the policies in which you have an interest and with your questions. I will let you know what information is needed to get you enrolled when I send you the brochures. Again, my name is Janine Lair with Lair Insurance, Inc. My office line is 801-352-7000. My email is janine_lair@us.aflac.com. Thank you.